The question is, if somebody gives me a choice that you will be given $5,000 a month, or we give you a penny on incremental basis.
A penny or a
Penny
cent?
on the first day, a cent.
Cent.
Cent on the first day, a 2 on the second day, 4 and following, 8 and 16, doubling it up on that basis. Now my question is, like, somebody hires me in the month of April. I didn't take $5,000 lump sum. I went this route that they go on an incremental basis for me. How much will I make for the month of April?
Oh, I see. You mean which would be better? Whether to take the $5,000 a month,
Precisely.
or 1 cent the first day, 2 cents the second day. You see, I don't know if you all caught what he said. He said April. You see, that's very important. That's the key thing as far as I'm concerned, because that means 30 days. It's not 31 days. It's not 28 days. It's not 29 days. It's the month of April.
Right.
So in 30 days' time, how much total you will have? Do you want the answer in rupees, sterling pounds, Canadian dollars, or American dollars?
Give me a liras. You know, liras.
No, I'm not familiar with liras.
Give me rupees. That's
Rupees, no, I think I'll do it in Canadian
No
dollars.
Canadian dollars for that.
Because the answer is the same, whether it is sterling, pounds, rupees, or anything. The answer is 1, 0, 7, 3, 7, 4, 1, 8 dollars, 23 cents.
Would you believe that
I'd say 23, not 33. Yeah, 23. Yes. What's the answer?
Would you believe that before I came on to the show, I have a program which allows me to do these computations on incremental basis, on decreasing basis. I did that. It's just on the penny.
Oh,
Would you read out your answer now?
That is
Just
incredible.
on the penny.
Would you read out your answer?
Yes, 10737418 dollars 23 pennies. Can't believe it. I just wasted my 1 year of my time to develop a program. Mrs. Devi here now. She can
write a program for something probably right in that same problem. So let's say start. Start. So you know that the problem is a guy who hired someone and asked him, they actually give up two suggestions. One is either will you take $5,000 per month, or will you agree with variability, like first day it will be 1 cent, next day will be 2 cent, and third day it will be 4 cent, and fifth day it will be 5, 8. So it's actually a 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so which one will be the profitable? Okay, that is what that guy asked the question. Okay, let's start. Students again. Start. Okay, now we'll say if any name calculator doing something. So we know the first day salary will be 0.0, and we're supposed to calculate for next 30 days, right? So for so if a length of result reaches, okay, so results greater than or equal to 30 means I should stop this program. So my result should be return some of reasonability again, some of this, okay, or else I'm supposed to say result for apple, the answer would be the last one. Result of eventually what Shakuntala said. Let's see, it took me 1 minute 40 seconds, and actually I wrote this program already, which day I took around 5 minutes to derive this program. 5 minutes, and I have one more right. And the thing is, so here I have fixed the day, which is 30 days, but the guy said it is April month. Okay, because we know that. But Shakuntala actually derived that too as well. So for that she is supposed to change our program according to that. Okay, so again I took another 10 minutes to derive that, so I already did it. So this is my program. This is what I wrote. If you give the date, say for example 2020 April month, this is what actually Shakuntala is doing. I took 5 minutes just to derive the logic, not for a complete program. For deriving complete program, it took me totally 15 minutes of time. But Shakuntala, she's totally amazing. The exact same. If we reduce the day with one, like from the day to, so actually in the month of April, I have worked around 29 days. Let's see, the result is reduced. That is what she said. Really, she's amazing. Thanks for watching.